So hello everyone and welcome back to my channel PMS Testing Laboratories. So in this video we are going to see the clause 8.7 of IS13488, that is resistance of emitting pipe to environmental stress cracking. So how to perform this test, let's see in this video. So here I have taken a pipe of length 400 mm and OD of this pipe is 20 mm. As per standard, you have to take a length of pipe that is 20 times of the OD. So that's why I have taken 400 mm of pipe. And first, you have to bend one end of this pipe like this and secure it with the help of end cap. Like this, you have to place end cap. And for second end, you have to bend it in opposite direction. First place the end cap inside of pipe and then bend the end. Yes, like this. So you have to take 5 samples of this. So here I have prepared 5 samples. Now we have to place this sample in conditioning oven for 1 hour at 80 degrees Celsius. So let's keep this sample in air oven. Here is the conditioning oven. I had set temperature at 80 degrees Celsius and now I am keeping this sample inside of it. So this is for the conditioning of the sample. After that, we have to take this sample out and place it in a constant temperature bath. So I'll show you how to do that. Now after 1 hour, I have taken out these samples. Now we have to place these samples in this bottle. I have filled this bottle with 10% of T-Pol and 90% of water. So we have to place this sample in this bottle. Just dip this. So I have placed all the 5 samples in the bottle. Now we have to place all the sample in constant temperature bath at 77 degrees Celsius for 48 hours. Here we have placed sample in this ESCR bath and we have filled the bath with water. Here you can see. Now here I have set temperature at 77 degrees Celsius, which is the requirement of standard. And now close the lid and keep this for 48 hours. Now the 48 hours has over and we are taking the samples out of this bottle. So just be careful that your bottle has cooled down. We have to check the bends of this sample. So here you can see there is no any bend, no any crack occur on this bend. system. For all the 5 samples, check all the 10 bends, and as per standard, there shall be no any crack occur on any of the bend. So if there is no any crack in any of the sample, then we can say that this test has passed the ESCR resistance. So this is how you can check the resistance of emitting pipe to the environmental stress cracking. Thank you.